Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves, and I want to welcome you to this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about creating a custom media list. Find 5 or 10 journalists in your industry that you want to start pitching regularly, share their content, become part of their tribe, somebody that is your custom media group. And I want you to make a list of them. And those are the people that I want you to pitch regularly. The people where your audience is, where your customers are, where you can receive the most benefit. And then I want you to commit to engaging with those 5 or 10, sending PR pitches to them, sharing their work with your audience, giving them kudos, or sharing maybe other people that could be helpful in your industry to them, because you will start to build a relationship with them and they will welcome you into their tribe. So put that media list together, put it in a Google Doc so you can keep an eye out, make sure they're in the same place. Journalists do move around a lot, but commit to 5 to 10. You can find all their information on Google. Might take you a couple pages. Just do some Google research, build that list, and if you'd like to get that massive visibility for your business, or if you'd like to learn tips on how to pitch those 5 or 10 people, please join the free PR challenge. It's at www.yourprchallenge.com. It takes 10 days, 10 minutes a day, that's all. I give you a short video and then some tips on exactly what to do. People who've done it, who've done the challenge, have been in things like the Wall Street Journal, gotten their own segments on morning television programs, MSN, NBC News. It's just amazing. So I hope you'll join us. And thanks for joining me this week, and I'll see you next week for another PR tip.